aspiring welders believe that large, well-established welding companies dominate the industry, making it nearly impossible for small independent welders to land high-paying jobs. The perception is that big companies have more resources, established connections, and a reputation that automatically gives them an advantage. In today's video, we are going to look at how to get your first client for your metal welding business. The first challenge most new welders face is figuring out where to find customers. Without a steady stream of work, even the best welding skills won't translate into a profitable business. Local markets often have hidden opportunities that many overlook. Homeowners need custom metal gates, fences, and repairs. Small businesses require steady metal shelves, display racks, or security grills. Construction sites frequently need metal reinforcement, frames, or stair railings. The key is identifying these needs before competitors do. Networking is a powerful tool that many new welders underestimate. Meeting potential clients face to face builds trust faster than any online ad ever could. Visiting construction sites, introducing services to local hardware stores, and talking to real estate developers can open unexpected doors. Even connections outside the welding industry like property managers, mechanics, and contractors can lead to referrals. Once we get around that quality welding services are available, projects start coming in. Social media plays an enormous role in marketing a welding business. Many welders assume that welding isn't Instagram worthy, but the reality is that showcasing high quality metal work attracts attention. Posting before and after shots, behind the scenes welding clips, and completed projects builds credibility. Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and even TikTok have helped welders land jobs simply by displaying their work to a larger audience. Hashtags like hashtag metal fabrication, hashtag custom welding, and hashtag welding art help bring in potential clients searching for similar projects. Word of mouth remains one of the most reliable ways to get new clients. Satisfied customers naturally recommend services to friends, family, and business associates, offering excellent customer service, timely project completion, and fair pricing encourages referrals. Some welders incentivize referrals by offering discounts or small bonuses to clients. Local advertising can make a huge impact. Many welders overlook simple yet effective marketing strategies like handing out business cards, posting flyers in hardware stores, or advertising in community newsletters. Vehicle signage with a business aim and contact information turns a personal track into a rolling advertisement. Even something as simple as wearing branded welding gear while running errands can spark conversations with potential clients. Partnerships with other tradespeople create new business opportunities. Many electricians, plumbers, and carpenters regularly work with metal components and frequently need welding services. Establishing relationships with these professionals leads to recurring projects. For example, a carpenter building custom furniture may need metal legs, and a plumber working on industrial piping may need welding reinforcement. Offering mobile welding services expands potential clientele. Many people require on-site welding for fences, gates, automotive repairs, and heavy machinery. Not every welding job can be transported to a shop, and customers appreciate the convenience of mobile services. Advertising mobile capabilities on websites and social media increases demand. Some welders specialize entirely in mobile work, setting themselves apart from competitors with fixed locations. Pricing services competitively attract first-time clients. New welders often struggle to determine fair rates that cover costs while remaining affordable for customers. Researching local welding rates, considering materials and labor time, and offering transparent pricing build customer trust. Some welders provide package deals for multiple services, such as offering a discount for welding repairs combined with a new custom metal structure. Customer testimonials and online reviews significantly influence potential clients. Many homeowners and business rely on Google reviews, Yelp, and Facebook recommendations before hiring a service provider. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave positive reviews enhance credibility. A welder with glowing testimonials stand out from competitors, making it easier to land a new job. Taking on small projects early on establishes credibility. Some welders turn down minor repairs or custom jobs because they seem unprofitable. However, these smaller projects often lead to larger opportunities. Fixing a metal railing for a homeowner today could result in a contract for a full fence installation down the line. Demonstrating reliability and skill, even on small tasks, create trust and long-term business relationships. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.